Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix Instagram confirm your phone number. To know how to fix Instagram confirm your phone number, you should just go here to settings as you see and you will click. After that in this page you should to go to apps here. And when you will see this list, you should to go down to Instagram here as you see. And after that in this list here in this page you should to go to this place for stop and you will click. When you will click here you will go to storage like this, and then here after that in this page as you see you will go to clear cache and you will click here. After that you will click clear data, then you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.